Hello, I'm Payman, and today I will read the notes of the piece In the Hall of the Mountain King by Edvard Grieg. Edvard Grieg, a Norwegian composer, lived between the years 1843 to 1907. And this piece is a part of an opera named Peer Gynt. And maybe you can remember the theme because it's used in the cartoon um Gadget Inspector. This song has 24 measures, and I will read the note in groups of 4 measures. This is in D minor, and so all the B notes are flat, and it is in common time. So first of all, let's hear the piece. In measure 1, left hand, we have a double note, D and F, whole note. Measure 2, we have double note, E and G sharp, half note, and then B flat and G neutral, half note. Measure 3, the same as measure 1. Measure 4, we have double note, F and A, whole note. It's good to play measure 2, E and F sharp with the fingers 2 and 4. Measure 1, right hand. D, E, F, G, A, F, all 8 notes, and then A, quarter note. Measure 2, G sharp, E, 8 notes, and G sharp, quarter note. G neutral, B flat, 8 notes, and G neutral, quarter note. Measure 3, D, E, F, G, A, F, A, D, and all 8 notes. And it's good to play this measure with the fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 5. Measure 4. C, A, F, A, all 8 notes, and then C, half note. So, measure 1, 2, 3, From measure 5 to 8, the first 4 measures is repeated. So measure 5, 6, 7, 8. In measure 9, left hand, we have a double note, A and C sharp, whole note. In measure 10, we have double note, F and A, half note, and then A and C sharp, half note. Measure 11, same as measure 9. And measure 12, same as measure 10. So this pattern is repeated. In right hand, measure 9, A, B, C sharp, D, E, C sharp, O, 8 notes, and then E, quarter note. Measure 10, F, C sharp, 8 notes, then F, quarter note, E, C sharp, 8 notes, then E, quarter note. Measure 11 is the same as measure 9. And measure 12, F, C sharp, 8 notes, then F, quarter note, and E, half note. Measure 9, 10, 11, 12. Measure 13 to measure 16 is the repeat of measure 9 to 12. So 13, 14, 15, 16. Measure 17 to measure 23 is the repeat of first 7 measures. So measure 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and measure 23. In the left hand, we have B, a double note, B flat and F together, then double note, D and F, half note. In measure 24, the last measure, in left hand, we have a double note, C sharp and G, then D and F. Both of them are half notes. And measure 23 in right hand, which is the same as measure 3. And measure 24, we have C sharp, A, C sharp, E, O, 8 notes, and D, half note. Okay, have fun and good luck with this beautiful piece. Cheers.